Hi everybody, it's Bill from XcentricK. Today we're going to talk about our 68 Charger Restomod. And this is a version of Restomod, performance hot rod, almost race car ready car. But it's as though you could take this car and drive it to Florida because it's been done in a fashion that allows you to have the modern technology both under the hood, in the interior, and in the drivetrain. So if you were to be driving this car up and down the 401 or the highway and you had an issue with it, you can take this one right to a Dodge dealer and get it fixed. So we've made sure that the car has the old style look of the 68, the performance look of a pro touring car, the comfort level of the modern cars, the performance of the modern cars, and the reliability of the modern cars. So we're going to walk you around. Jeff's kind of running and hiding a little bit as we're getting to that, and Tim's over there finishing up some of the interior, so we'll get everybody involved. When we talked about the modern interior, we're just now putting in the last bits and pieces, but this is all custom. This has all been wrapped. This is all out of an SRT8. It's all drive-by-wire. You can see the gauges over there out of the modern cars. The dash has been wrapped to look modern. The interior seats and the interior panels, Tim has those over there. We'll look at those in a minute. If you have a look at the wheels and the brakes, these things, because we're looking at around 600 horsepower, need some big rubber and big wheels, but it's also got some really good big brakes on it as well. A lot of the suspension on this car, it's got coilovers. It's all done by Bill Riley Motorsports out of the US. They put together a phenomenal package that allows this car to handle like a brand new car and also perform well on a track attack day or parking lot attack, whatever you're doing, time attack stuff. These cars are amazing. So let's look at the front of it. As they say again, where the magic happens. This is a slightly modified SRT8 6.4 Hemi out of a 2015 SRT8 300. So this engine is, the way we do it, we want it to look as though if the factory were to build this car today, this is the way it would look coming out of the factory. Jeff has done an exceptional job in going beyond that to kind of make it look like a hot rodder likes it, which is none of the wires are hanging out. It's all nicely set up to be clean. Everything's in the right place. There's no wires hanging over. There's no wires laying on top of things. This is all done very clean. And then we've added some modern touches down through here where the cold air intake. We've done a little bit of modern touch running the holes through the side so the air intake can get a little bit more cold air, and just makes it look very professional. We've got the brake boost system with the Willwood package on it, and it will perform like you wouldn't believe for stopping this car. So everything's pretty much coming together, so we're just going to go over and have a look. Front end is all modernized with the modern lighting on it as well. So we'll go over and have a look at the interior that Tim's got. He's just getting ready to put the last bits of it in. The back, all these lights, again, modernizing them. The interior is just coming into the trunk area now. And you can kind of see how it looks. And Jeff's just turned on the rear tail lights now. Everything's done in LED. So it really has a very cool modern look to it. And then Tim's over here finishing up the interior.
Yep.
Okay. So Tim's got the center console panels, the door panels, the kick panels. I don't know where the seats are.
Over here.
Where those?
Just front seats over there.
Seats over there.
The back seats are over there.
Back seats are up here. So let's have a look at the front seats. Everything's coming together well, Tim?
Yeah.
See. Now this is something you don't typically see in a 68 Charger. Look at, it's got all the bolstering here. This is a real modern looking seat with our flare put into it to kind of give that real cool look. So this one's going to be finished up in the next couple of weeks. Customers getting pretty excited. It's springtime out. They want to get their car, and we want to get it finished as well. These are pretty unique. We've already got other customers looking for the Helifont style 68, 69 Charger. So if you're interested, this is what we can do for you. We're just starting to cut and polish on it. It's going to look fantastic when it's done. We're not that far away from completion, so give us a call.